capable to understand this phenomena, that who are the people they just talk, and the people they just criticize, and the third one are just doers. We talk about these idea in details. First one is critics. The people who just criticize the other ones, they never struggle. They are just like a rolling stone but gathers no mess, because of they just see the bad things and the doings and the works and the struggles of the other ones. Second one is talkers. They just talk about different phenomena. They don't pay attention where the world is going. They just pay attention the people, what they are doing, what they are, what they can pick the negative things from them, and then they spread out. This is, I think so, the worst attitude. This is the major hindrance of their success. The third one is doers. The people who just believe in work, who just believe in struggle, industriousness. They can't never behind the others. They always work hard and excel in their life. And I think so, if we can understand these three phenomena, first one is critics, second one is talkers, and the third one is doers. I wanna leave a question for you people, in which category you fall, and you must pay attention towards it to improve yourself. Thank you.